Hi, this is Ron here today. I'm at the beach here. We got it's spring now, but it's still pretty cold and breezy down here. But we're going to take a couple drones up today, just do a little testing here. We're going to take the Skydio 2 drone up. The famous Skydio 2 drone is going to go up, and we're going to do a little hover test right here, and then go for a little flight. So stay tuned. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, folks. Sorry to make a lot of noise here, but I got the Skydio hovering about says 6 feet off the sand here, and you can see it's holding a pretty good hover there. It's moving a little bit where a wind gust comes by, but it's holding nice and steady, especially not going up and down much. It's only going side to side. So that has I don't know what you'd call the sensors on it. It has downward facing cameras. I don't know if it has any quote unquote optical flow cam sensors, but it has downward facing cameras. So anyways, we're gonna go out for a little flight now. All right, Ron back here. Now we're going to do a same hover test with the Hubsan Zino 2, just newly shipped Hubsan Zino 2, and we upgraded firmware today. On the aircraft, we're up to version 1.2.0, and on the controller, we're up to version 1.1.2. So I know the controller. I'll read you rather me mess the liner notes up or whatever for the updates. Let me just do it at home at the tabletop where I can read them rather than just badly recite them here. So stay tuned. We're gonna go for a little little flight, a little hover test to start off with. So you can see how the Zino 2 hovered, and you can see how the Skydio 2 hovered. I'm not saying this is a comparison. I'm not telling you got to compare them or asking to compare them. I'm just saying you're going to see one hover and you're going to see the other hover. So for the people that don't like comparison tests, this isn't a comparison test. I hope you can see that on camera now. I have the Zino at about, well, I won't even say about. It says it's 12 feet high, which doesn't look 12 feet high to me. Okay, can you see it now? now it says it's about, give me a 9 feet high. I'm going to go a little lower because I had the other one about, okay, now we're at about, keeps updating, 7 foot. So there's the hover. I think the hover is much better than, what it was before. I'll move it over a little bit, maybe get a better center in the camera. And take my hands off the stick. So it's completely hands off the stick here. It's moving left to right in the wind. Not worse than the Scudio 2 did, but what I like here is the Hubsan. It's not going up and down. It's pretty much staying at, it says 6 feet, 7 feet 9, 6 feet 9, 7 foot. So as far as up and down, it's staying real good. So maybe I over-exaggerated on the sensors not doing their job. It seems to be holding a nice height here. There's no up and down. There's a little side to side, but even the Scudio 2 had some side to side, and that, of course, that's much more expensive drone than this. So of course you'd expect it to hover better. But again, maybe the recent updates to the quad and even maybe the controller have something to do with it. Maybe that has improved the hover, and the downward sensors doing their job a little bit stronger here. So I'm very happy with this hover. Because again, it is breezy out here. I think I'm going to do that thing where Marcus always does, where he puts the that app up. But I think the sustained winds are about 12 or 13. The gusts are like 16 to 18. So when the gusts come along, they're pretty strong. But yeah, now I'm happy with the hover test here, and let's take this baby out and see what kind of video we can get. Okay, we'll see you at the end.